Dana, yay!
Woo! Welcome back, welcome back. Today we are back with the new trailer. Woo! After so long, we are getting a trailer on this channel finally.
And it was the most awaited series because it was announced 2-3 years back,
Yeah, I
and
think
it's
so.
finally out now. And it is our dream cast
Yeah.
because
Oh my god, legit. We have been
because
waiting for this.
each and every person we love from Domundi is in that drama.
Oh
Like
my god, so
literally
true.
everyone.
So true. So today
Oh, so
we
what
are
we are reacting
yeah.
to?
So today we are reacting to
Zombievers series trailer. Yay!
official trailer.
Oh, totally official. We also have the date, and the date which I saw from the poster was 31st October, which is
Ooh.
just a month after this.
Oh my god, it's so
Almost a
close.
month.
It's so,
So
close.
close.
We can't
Legit.
wait. I hope
Yeah.
we hope that Domundi will allow us to react to it. And if, even if they don't, that's fine.
That's fine. We have no
yeah,
option.
we have Patreon now, so
Mhm.
you guys can. So we will definitely react to this Zombievers drama, either on YouTube or on Patreon. It will
Patreon, yeah.
It will
We
be
have to see
somewhere.
how it works.
Yeah, it will be
Mhm.
somewhere. So
Yeah.
don't worry about that. Our reaction is going to come on this drama. So I
Yes.
think without further ado, let's get into it.
ในขณะนี้นะคะนายกรัฐมนตรีค่ะได้เตรียมประกาศสถานการณ์ฉุกเฉินในเขตกรุงเทพมหานครเบื้องต้นได้มีการสันนิษฐานค่ะว่าการแพร่ระบาดในครั้งนี้อาจมีต้นตอมาจากมหาวิทยาลัยนวัตกรรมเกียรติพัฒน์ค่ะ
Oh my god, first zombie real. Oh, it's not real.
I don't think it's a real.
ฮัลโหลนิ้งนิ้งอยู่ไหนอะ
หนูติดอยู่ในคณะค่ะ หนูติดต่อน้องไม่ได้อะ
พวกมันอยู่กันเต็มไปหมดเลยอ่ะ เราจะออกไปได้ไงอ่ะ
Oh,
เราต้องรวมคนให้ได้มากที่สุด แล้วไม่ขอความช่วยเหลือทีเดียว ไม่มีใครมาหรอก เหลือแค่พวกเราไม่กี่รอด
Wow!
นิ้งกับน้องติดอยู่
Production
ใน
looks so
คุ
good.
ณต้องทันใจนะส่งคนเข้าไป ไม่มีใครรอดแล้ว
บ้านเราอยู่ห่างจากเขตนี้มาก แม่จะไม่เป็นไร ในข่าวเขาบอกว่ามันลามไปทั่วเลยอ่ะ ทหารก็เอาไม่อยู่
แต่มันเกิดขึ้นจริงแล้วคิดดูดินี่มึงไม่ตื่นเต้นอยู่ใช่ไหมมึงว่าพวกเฮียเนี่ยมันใช่ซอมบี้จริงๆปะวะเหมือนพวกมันเข้าไปออกกันอยู่แต่ตรงที่มีแสงเนี่ยที่ไหนวะพวกมันกำลังเดินกันไปไหนอะเฮ้ย
What?
ตอนเนี้ยโลกแตกแล้ว
What?
แต่กูกับมึงยัง
You
ต้อง
remember
อยู่ด้ว
she's
ยกันนะ
Kemika?
ถ้ามึงยังตอแหลใส่กันว่าแค่คนนี้ทั้งที่ทำเพื่ออีกคนอ่ะ ชีวิตพวกกูอีก10 คนกลายเป็นเอ็กซ์ตร้า
They are brother and sister.
ซึ่งกูไม่ยอม
ถ้าพี่พูดอีกคำเดียวมึงจะฆ่า
Oh! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! They're going on. Oh, what's that? No, I don't think so.
Oh, net.
แล้วมึงกลัวอะไรสัตว์
Net? Where's Net?
Net went.
เรากำลังจะสอนให้เพื่อนเราไปตาย
Tommy.
เพื่อเช็ดขี้ให้ไอ้เฮียนั่นพวกมึงไม่ทำเฮียอะไรอยู่วะเธอรู้ใช่ไหมว่าเธอพูดอะไรไปอะถ้าคนพวกนั้นพาซอมบี้มาด้วยอะ
เลิกพูดสักทีเถอะซาน
แต่ถ้าจะต้องให้รู้ทุกอย่างมันทำเฮียอะไรสักอย่าง
Oh my god.
พวกมึงมีเวลามากแต่ถ้าใครคิดว่าปืนพวกนี้จะช่วยอะไรพวกมึงได้กูบอกไว้เลยว่า
I don't.
กระสุนแค่นัดเดียว
Oh, boss! Oh,
อาจ
this
จะเป็น
guy.
ซอมบี้มาเป็น
I
ร้อย
just
คน
see
ได้
him.
รู้ได้ไง มึงเคยแล้วเหรอ
อยากลองปะล่ะ
What is Boon doing here?
Shit. Oh my god. Did you see what they said?
What they said?
One gunshot and you want to see how many zombies will come. And then they shot the gun and all the zombies are coming.
พวกเราตายกันหมดแน่
Holy shit, this drama is so good. Oh, wow. Oh, it is shooter. Oh, James. Oh, King. Ah. Hey, you.
เขาบอกมหาลัยเราเป็นศูนย์กลางการแพร่ระบาดแม่งไม่มีใครติดใจเรื่องนี้เลยเหรอวะ
ทำไมเราไม่ปิดปากเธอกับลูกให้มันจบไป
เพราะท่านหาคนที่เก่งแล้วก็เชื่องเท่านี้ไม่ได้อีกแล้วนี่ค่ะ
แล้วเรื่องนี้แม่งบอกใครไม่ได้ด้วย เพราะแม่งเสือกเป็นโครงการลับของเทวดาเราควรยอมเป็นพวกเดียวกับซอมบี้ให้แม่งออกจบ
เอกสารตรงเนี้ยมันอาจจะช่วยแก้ไขเรื่องราวที่เฮียนี้ก็ได้ มันอาจจะมีค่ามากกว่าชีวิตพวกเราทั้งหมดตรงนี้ได้ ผมภาวนาขอให้คุณมีอำนาจมากพอที่จะสาวไปถึงต้นตอได้
Oh,
เพราะตัวละครที่เป็นศูนย์กลางของเรื่องทั้งหมดเนี่ย
oh.
เป็นคนที่มีอิทธิพลมากกว่าคุณแน่นอน
Oh. Only on Netflix? It's a Netflix drama. Wow. Domundi on Netflix. Domundi on Netflix. Oh.
Okay, so I just wanted to tell her something because as my best friend, I know what she missed. She definitely missed because I couldn't focus on the subtitle too. So basically, this whole zombie thing was set up by someone.
Someone, yeah, I saw the
Yeah,
video.
and it was like the man, the News and Khemika's father. Okay, father and mother, they both are divorced.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, and then they showed that when he sees the news that in some of type of university there's a zombie outbreak. So that's when he realizes, shit, my children are in that university, right? So he yells at some army person that bring the people. There are survivors in the university. There are still people who are not dead. So and also it was like, and also his mother, their mother was working from some different sides. So
Different
like
sides,
the mother
yeah.
and father were working from different sides. So it was like, it was to hide something, some top project. And I don't know, it was led by News mother, father, or were they involved in this dirty work or whatever. And if you don't know, Z says to Tommy that you record everything we are doing here, so that this documentary, if we go out and if we show them, whoever is in this dirty business, whoever is involved in this dirty business, they can be exposed.
Oh, true.
So basically, it is zombie, but also there's a lot of political going on in this
Political
drama.
going on, yeah. Oh my god, this drama is so good. Oh my god. Okay. Now my perspective. The amount of production, the camera quality,
Girl, that's Domundi.
the freaking makeups, the VFX. I mean they have to use some, at least a little bit of VFX on the zombies and everything.
Mhm.
Everything looks so real. The way that they started with the first shot where they showed the skin of the zombie.
Yeah, she was
How?
sleeping, and then there was
Like,
this
yeah,
thing.
that part was so brilliantly done. Okay, obviously it's a production Domundi. They have done it so well, and
So
this
well.
this is literally the type of, like, this is a perfect trailer. You don't get too much, but you get
But
enough.
you also know,
You get enough
yeah, you get
to get hooked up
enough.
to the part.
Yes.
They haven't showed every character's personalities or thing.
The
But
fact
still,
that we didn't even see boss properly.
boss
You know what
properly.
boss I'm talking about? Boss Nils boss.
Boss new. Wait, boss is here. Wait,
Pipayu.
PPI is here.
Yes, he is there. He was
Wait,
shown in 2
Wait,
scenes.
how is Pipayu here? Wait, what?
He
What
was
do
in
you
the
Bull,
pilot trailer too.
Pipayu, Z. What is going on?
I think it was oh wow. I mean, I understand. They took Domundi people, and one from Studio Wabi Sabi and one from Me Mind.
Me mind.
You know,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
So they took like, but you know what's more interesting? As far as I remember from pilot trailer, there were no King and Namping,
There was no.
but they did take King and
they
Namping.
did took King and Namping. Right?
See, if you see, there is Xenu, there is Max Nat, there is Ned James. Okay, as I'm not saying it as a ship, just saying in names. There are Ned James, there is King Namping, and then we have Solo as Boone and Boss. Wow, that's crazy.
This is so crazy. Okay, I need to watch this trailer again and
No,
again.
you have, because the thing is, I'm damn sure you did not read the subtitles.
Yeah, I did know.
Because I couldn't read.
First of all, there are way too many people on the screen. I need to figure out who is who.
See, okay, guys. First of all, we know we focused on the actors because we loved it that way to see. Obviously, we are going to react on the series, so please don't come at us saying that you guys did not focus on the plot, but rather on the actors. I also explained the plot to her because I could do multitask and I did grab all of the things. So don't come at us.
It's always thing. She always looks at everything and she analyzes everything.
Kind
I
of,
just
yeah.
look at the pretty faces and I analyze the pretty faces. There is nothing wrong
But
with it.
during series, she knows everything. So do not come at us.
Yeah, obviously. During series, we both focus on the series. So it's just a trailer and it's our first time watching it also.
And either way, she doesn't like to watch trailer at first. Because it's like you get a lot of things from trailers. So she likes to go totally blind on it.
I never watch trailers. So that's why it's like,
yeah,
I like to go blind on everything. So that's why I avoid watching trailers most of the time because it's like, oh, surprise, what is going to happen?
Surprise, yeah.
So, but since we have started this channel, we kind of,
have
to watch the trailers and everything. Mm-hmm. It's not we have to, but it's like we want to kind of like.
We want to
give you guys a heads up that we are going to watch this series and watch this and that. So maybe that's why. But we are so fucking excited for this drama. I cannot wait. Oh my god.
mean, not gonna lie, I'm slowly turning into a very, very, very huge Domundi girl.
Oh my god, did you?
Like I remember I have if you see our old videos, I have publicly announced I'm a huge JMMT
She is a
girly,
GMT
and
stan.
nothing can change the fact that I'm a huge JMT stan. But Domundi is taking a crazy toll over me, like crazy.
Oh, okay,
Oh my
first of all,
god.
that only thing that I need to process is Boon and Boss. I need to process them in Dumundi together
Yeah.
with. It's like my two worlds colliding. It's like
Only what's
boss and Need James and
only what's missing for her, Gauri. You know what's missing? Titi boy.
girl. Oh my God, there's tutor. How did I forget my
There's
father?
tutoring.
There's
There's
tutor.
tutoring.
Okay, I am a huge tutoring fan.
Yeah,
I
she's
am
a
a
huge tutoring girly.
huge tutoring fan. I saw tutor and I lost it. I watched this trailer like the pilot trailer was so long ago. I watched the pilot trailer or
Girl, it
something.
was like 1 or 2 years ago. It was
Yeah,
parallel with Next Prince.
I don't even remember what I watched at that time. It's just I remember that there was a zombie. That's what I remember. There is a zombie. That's all I remembered. I did not
Yeah, it was
remember
just a
the
zombie
cast.
series.
I did not remember the cast at all. Nothing. So now everything is like a bit overwhelming for us.
But they say that even though they have a lot of BL couples in the series,
Yeah, this is not BL
yeah,
series.
it's
They
not a
said
BL
that.
series.
Yeah,
They say,
it's
but like I noticed something. Maybe I'm overthinking. But in a series where Z or someone is introducing to Nunu or something, vice versa, Z and Nunu had a very loving look with each other.
and
So
Zin you might have a couple.
yeah,
We don't know.
I
Or
personally,
they might be just have a crush on each other.
we are just putting out theories,
Yeah,
guys. You don't even know. Off camera, we are way more crazy than this.
our
So
theories never work. Don't worry.
it never works, never.
Don't worry. It never works.
Yeah,
So, I don't know. Whatever it is, we are loving it. Loving it. Loving
totally.
it. If
Yes,
it
yes,
was
yes.
if Titi Por were here, it would have been like
Oh my god, she would have gone crazy.
this whole conversation would have been about Titi Por if there was Titi Por here.
But it is still very. No, I'm actually going to watch pilot trailer now.
Oh
I
my
want to see if
God,
there was
please.
King or Numping or not.
Yeah, I did not saw Namping or he might be there. I did not.
It was Numping, and then there was this like 1 second, millisecond thing, and then they showed King. So before you could see King, there was Numping already. Before.
Yeah, so I may
I
probably
mean, it was
misunderstood.
so fast, bro. How can you process everything?
I saw one shot of James. That's all I saw. And one
And
shot
you
of
didn't
net.
even see
And
net.
one shot of
Oh,
net.
you see.
Like split second. I saw net in split second. I'm like, oh, that was net. Okay, that was net.
Girl, you
Okay.
didn't even see boss.
I
How
did
you
not
gonna
even
see?
notice boss. She said boss, and okay, it's weird, but I thought boss when babe boss.
Force books first.
I thought it was like okay, that boss. No, he's not boss. What's
Why
his
would
name?
GMTV
Who is
actor
boss?
will be in
Who is
this?
boss? And then I'm like, okay. Then she
Pipayu?
told me, okay, Pipayu. Okay, it's Pipayu. I need to watch it again. It's okay. This is
I
too
think
chaotic.
the most screen time they give to Xenu.
Zinunu, obviously, because they are main lead, I think.
No, I think Tommy and Chemika is main.
Tommy and Chemika and Zinunu, I think they are leading.
And they also kind of gave Max Nat. You know who's Max?
Oh,
Nat?
Max Nat also. Yeah, true.
Yeah, Max Nat
Max
and
Nat also had.
Tutoring what the Fofo got.
Nat had a lot of scenes, no? In the
But I
trailer.
remember from the pilot trailer, they had Jimmy also in this series.
They had Jimmy? Really?
Jimmy Ohms, Jimmy.
Yeah, I don't remember trailer. I
They
seriously
had
don't know.
Jimmy though, but I think they replaced it with them with King Namping. I think. Oh, that's the scene.
Oh.
I mean, because see, I still remember when Zombies
Or we might have
pilot
missed
came
him.
out.
You guys can correct us. We might have missed him or something.
No, but I'm damn sure because when Zombie series pilot trailer came, I totally lost my mind over that trailer. I was that into Zombie. No, I'll guys watch it. Okay, I'll just watch the trailer, pilot trailer. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so crazy.
Crazy man.
This
crazy.
is chaotic. See, by our reaction, you can see how chaotic this drama is, and we are so chaotic right now. Wow.
But during series, we don't really talk. We are so
we
immersed.
don't really talk. We focus on stories more.
Unless
Wow.
until there's NC scenes, we don't talk. Yeah.
Yeah, and unless there is certain couples who we like, then there is chaos.
Yeah, then there's
If
chaos.
there is
Otherwise,
a-
nothing.
There's a
But note, we respect and love everyone equally.
Oh my God! Please know that
Yeah.
we okay. Yeah, it's a common sense, but still.
No,
You guys
some
need to
people
know.
need to.
Yeah, some people need to know that just because we fangirl you or more fangirl you or some couple, that doesn't mean oh my God, we don't like that couple. we
We never
I
do
don't think
that.
there have been any couple that in this whole BL industry that we didn't like.
We don't like exactly. Oh my god! Like there's not a single couple
I
where we
don't
have even
remember
bad
us
mouth.
hating on any couple. I
No,
genuinely
never.
don't remember.
We might not like the production or the
Production.
script,
Yeah.
but we never said anything about the actors because we personally love them.
Yeah. So I think and this drama is going to be chaos because the casting is chaos and the production, and this is on
I
Netflix.
think
Domundi on Netflix. That's a huge thing for Domundi. They're on Netflix now. Wow. Wow.
I think Domini had a series before on Netflix. GMT has a lot of series on Netflix, and same goes for Domini. I'm not sure. Okay,
Okay, we are
I don't
sure.
know. Yeah,
It's fine.
mm,
We are lost our minds.
yeah. No, that's I'm yapping literally about anything. I'm literally
we are
talking
lateral.
anything.
We
Literally.
are literally. Did I say lateral?
Lateral,
What the
lateral.
hell? We are literally talking about anything at this point.
I'm
So
still thinking about the scenes though. So like,
be true in back of my mind. I'm like, okay,
back
what
of
did I
my,
watch? It's like
I
recollecting to
actually
me.
want to watch the trailer again
Yeah,
though. It was so
we will
good.
watch it behind the scenes
We
like
will,
a
yeah.
lot of times until we get the whole story and whole casting
and
properly in our
and
head.
for me, who's someone who needs to know the plot from the trailer itself, I have to. I'm someone who's very patient, so I have to
She
know.
is very impatient, by the way.
Very,
Yes,
very,
yes, yes.
very.
So I think
Yeah.
this will be it for this
So
video,
yes.
and we'll
Mhm.
see you guys in the next one. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.